Hi guys, my name is Antonio and I work here at SlabWare. So this is the first video of a sequence of talking about products. So now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to add your sinks inside SlabWare system. So let's go to the tutorial.
In the coming weeks, we will talk about how to register products in the system, and today we will learn how to add sinks. In the Products section, go to List of Sinks. Here you have control over all the sinks you have in stock. To register a new one, you can click New here or go to the menu Products, Sinks, and then click New Sink. This is the registration form where you can enter all the information about the sink you want to add. You can fill in the name, the model. If you want to add a new model, just click Add New. Then choose the supplier. You can also add a new one right here. Register date is automatically set to today, but you can choose another date if needed. Similar code is a unique registration code for your sink. Next, enter the sales price. I'm going to put $289. The type of price can be unit, linear, or square. I'll choose unit. You can fill in a default description to appear on orders. Select the sink's shape. For example, oval, rectangular, double bowl, or single bowl. Fill in the length. And then the height of your sink. Here you'll specify how many faucet holes it has. The average cost field is automatically filled only after you create a bill with the purchase cost from your supplier. And this means that if the item is out of stock, you can still create the estimate and the system will set the quantity as negative. You can also add a front-end description to display on your website. Here you can upload an image of your sink. And right here, you can fill in the quantity you have available in stock. The internal option is for products that are not meant for sale. You can register them for internal control, but they cannot be sold to customers. The taxable option indicates whether your sink is taxable. After filling in all the necessary information, click Save. Here it is, your sink has been registered in the system. Back in List of Sinks, you can view the sink you just registered. Clicking the image icon, you can see a visual preview of the sink. Here you have the name, supplier, similar code, model, quantity, price, and whether the product is internal. In Options, you can see if the product was marked as taxable. The status shows if the sink is active, green check, or inactive, red check on the website. Click the pencil icon to edit. And the trash icon to remove the sink from your list. At the top, you have a search filter to help you find sinks more easily. You can search by name and click Apply Filters. Or click in More Filters to search by supplier, similar code, or model. Click Clear to reset the filters. And apply filters to search. Go to the list of sinks, then click on the name of the sink you just created. All the information you previously entered is displayed here. This product can be received on consignment, and the system will track all consignment orders here. At the bottom, there are two options visible after the product is registered: Expense and Income. Expense shows all the bills related to this product. When you register a sink, a bill is automatically generated. Products can also be registered directly from a bill with your supplier's information. Here, I add more information to the bill that was created automatically. You can fill in all the details if needed, and then click Save. In Income, you can see all sales records for this product. I created an order so you can see how it works. This is my invoice. I added 2 sinks and some other items. Here is where the default description appears. It will remain blank if you don't add anything. And this is how your sink will appear on your website, with all the information entered in the back end, including the front end description. Going back, let's go to Products and then List of Sinks. One detail to notice is the quantity of the sink. It was 145 before, and after adding 2 in the order, it became 143. Now go to Setup. Here you can configure information about models so that you can fill them in automatically when registering sinks.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact your support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start your free trial right now.